I give you Tsamba kuMwana Wangu. Tsamba kuMwana Wangu is more like a roadmap in the journey of life. We say life is a journey, and the journey is easier if every now and again we get directions, every now and again we get to know how and what to do on the road. So Tsamba kuMwana Wangu acts more or less like that. Well, in every year that we go on Tsamba kuMwana Wangu, I get to give you a theme that we move by. I get to give you a theme that supports the message that we have. And the message of 2026 is guided by the theme, a war against the war. Hondo, yekurwisa, Hondo Yangu. This theme is stemming from the realization that we individually are fighting a certain and particular war within ourselves. Tine hondo mumwe ne mumwe yakasiyana from one person to the other. And as we fight this war, we are coming together to fight this war. So we are waging war against a war that is happening within us. Ndiko saka tiri kuzoti Hondo yekurwisa, Hondo Yangu. That is why we are saying a war against the war. On today's edition of Tsamba kuMwana Wangu, under the theme a war against the war, we get to talk about something that is not so difficult to talk about. Something that, something that is not so easy to talk about. Something that is quite difficult to talk about. It's not an easy topic to discuss. It's not an easy topic to get to explain. It's not an easy topic to share, especially because of how sensitive this topic is, and also especially because many people are silently going through it. Some knowingly are going through it, although silently, and some not even knowing that is what is happening to them. And maybe you're one of these people. So let me talk to you in regards to this conversation, and allow me to start from this point, referring to some of the notes that I had to put down for this particular edition of Tsamba kuMwana Wangu. The first pointer that I wrote down and said, sometimes life is just heavy. Zimwe nguwa upenyu gunofila kurema. Now pani pekuti tinotaura sekujaira kutaura kuti upenyu wakaoma. Kozoita pamwe pekuti unogona kusazvitaura ako nemasoko asi unozvinzwa nguva nenguva muhana mako, mupfungwa mako, kunzwa kuti uri mutoro uri kukuremera. Kwete nekuti pane zvakaoma panguva iyoyo, kwete nekuti pane hondo yawarwisana nayo panguva iyoyo, kwete nekuti pane mari yawashayiwa yanga ichida kukavha chimwe chinhu panguva iyoyo, asi nekuti unongonzwa zvisingagoni kutsanangurika nemazwi mutoro iwoyoyo nemuremero wawo. And this is how I want to start to talk to you about the war against depression. Maybe from a start, let's start from a simpler point. I know there's nothing simple about depression, but at least maybe from an easier take of pointing things out, to say sometimes you feel sad for no reason. You wake up in the morning, you feel so demotivated. You don't want to do anything. Nothing is giving you joy or happiness. But nothing has caused that sadness that you can point to and say, ichi ndo chakonzera kuneteswa neupenyu kwandiri kunzwa kurwadziwa nekonzo. You cannot really point it out. Things that used to make you happy no longer make you that happy. Life doesn't feel the same anymore. You are moving in life, but you feel like you don't have energy for it. unonyatsonzwa kuti simba reupenyu chairo mandiri hamuna, ndiri kungosundawo kuti upenyu huinde, asi simba chairo upenyu ndaneta nazvo zveupenyu izvi. Do you sometimes feel like that? I'm failing to find the exact words to put it into perspective, but I am hoping that you are coming to an understanding of what I'm trying to paint here. To you, maybe if you're the person I'm talking to you, every single day in life, you question the meaning of life. And the only answer that you get is life is meaningless. So depression is not always visible, right? Sometimes we will meet you smiling. Sometimes we will meet you laughing. Sometimes we will meet you cracking jokes, sharing stories. But inside yourself, you would be feeling empty. Inside yourself, yes, we see you functioning, doing things, going around. Pamwe pacho, uchitoita sekunge urikuita progress neupenyu. We will see you doing things that we would admire in this life. Maybe getting yourself properties, accumulating wealth. Maybe if it's education, advancing in education, advancing in your career even. We'll see you doing things that we also even admire. But deep within you, you still feel that tiredness. Whatever achievement that you seem to be getting is not giving you any motivation whatsoever. And including one of the things that we spoke about a couple of weeks back on Tsamba kuMwana Wangu, to say you will be among people, maybe being a favorite among many, because maybe you are the darling of the people, sharing stories, motivating other people. But iwewe pachezvako individually, you feel alone in that crowd. Among those people, you feel alone. Am I painting something that you're relating to? Something that you feel like you've been going through? I've been through this. I've been through this for a long time, until eventually I sought help. And I want to share it this way. And I think it's important that we address it this way. Because if not treated with care, it might continue destroying you because of what the outside world would point it as. Sometimes, because we cannot understand what you're going through, but we can see what you are doing, sometimes not doing anything, giving up on daily activities, giving up on the important things of your life. We'll look at it as failure in life. We'll look at it as laziness in life. I want you to please understand this. Depression is not weakness. It's not laziness. I want you to take this example, and I hope it will help you. Because sometimes you feel like, I need to do all these things, but I can't. And you feel so behind in life, and then feel like, upenyu wacho will make a sense. This life is not making sense because I'm so behind in life. And yet when you try to do things that advance the life, you still feel like you cannot. You feel like the burden is too heavy for you. Regandipe mienzaniso we phone yako yawinayo izvezvi. Maybe if you're someone anoona movies nema videos mu phone mako, kana uchida ku download a video of a high quality, maybe let's say quality ya 4K, a high definition video, zvinoreva kuti video iroro rakuoccupy space yakakura, rinoremera phone yako, zvokuti kana wasarwa nespace shoma nekuti phone yako yakaremerwa nezvimwe zvinhu kudhara, haukwanise kudownloada video iroro. Zvaunogona kuita une two options: either kutombomira kudownloada video iroro, kana kuti kuri downloada in a lower resolution with a lower storage space kuti rikwane mufoni mako. Rega ndichishandisa muenzaniso uyu kuuya kuupenyu wedu. dzimwe nguva upenyu hwedu hwafanana nefoni iyoyo kuti tine zvizhinji zviri kutiremera muupenyu. So imwe progress yatoda kuita kudownloada zvinhu zviri heavy high definition. Tine maplans mahombe ataifunga kuti panguva ino tinenge tazadzisa muupenyu, ari kuita kuti tinzwe kukundikana neupenyu huno, kuti takafoira muupenyu, kuti maybe upenyu hwacho haumeke sense nekuti pandaifunga kuti ndinodai hazvina kuzodai zvikazodai uchizvipiringisha wega. I know we might have that desire to do it all at once, but try to download the video either in lower resolution or at a later time. Edza kuita zvinhu zvako zvaungachida kuita zvacho izvozvo panguva yaunenge wakunzwa zviri nane pamberi apo, wombotura befu izvo zviwombochi panguva yekufema uchikamura mimwe mitoro yauinayo. Kana zvichikwanisika uchiita padiki ndo yatiri kuti low resolution videos acho, ekuti haisiri video hombe inorema, hachisiri chinhu chihombe chinokuremera paupenyu huno. Chinhu chandinonyanya kukukurudzira pamusoro pezvinhu zvose, zvinhu chandakanyora apa. If you feel like you are depressed, if you feel like you've lost all interest in this life, if you feel like this life has not made any meaning to you at all in any way, if you feel like this life is beating you down, I want you, please, to talk to someone professional. Go to your nearest hospital or clinic and ask them kuti ungawane kupi professional counseling services. Every hospital or clinic has a facility. If they don't have right in that space, they know where to refer you to. Please seek professional support because you need to get help. Also, don't isolate yourself. Be amongst other people. This is important for you. I would want to see you do well. I might not know you in person, but whatever progress or success that you will make will be a better step for your society, which is also my society, which is our society, which is our country, which is our world. I wish you well. I hope for you to heal. We all need to heal because had people, let us fight this war against the war of depression. My name is Mr. Dobby. Ndini baba wako. Haiko na utika kuna zvinotikisa zvese zvino atoti hawo.